Good afternoon and welcome to another edition of Total Talk. This is Josh Rule, the Director of Safety. Today I want to talk about the same thing I talked about last time. We're going to talk about unsafe violations. We continue to see a major increase in unsafe violations. We've had one each day for the first 2 or 3 days of March. It is very likely we're going back over in unsafe when we get our flash on CSA next Monday. We've got to fix it. The majority of the issues are related to being in restricted lanes, whether that's the left lane, whether that's just a regular restricted lane. We've got to make sure that we're traveling in a lane that we're authorized to be in. If you're not, get moved into the correct lane and make sure we stay there. It's a fairly simple thing. I know there are signs out there on the road telling you where you can and can't travel. So let's make sure we're paying attention to the signs and we're avoiding something so simple as making sure we're in the correct lane. We're also probably going to go over and crash. We had 12 accidents from January and December post this month. So I'm expecting we're also going to go back over and crash. We had a good February. We've got to have a good March. We've got to make sure we stay safe and avoid the major accidents out there. Make sure we're leaning and looking before we change lanes. Use our all 4 mirrors, the hood mirror as well as the door mirrors. Look 2 or 3 times before you make a lane change. We've got to have a good March to get things turned back in the right direction. Thanks for everything you do, and please stay safe out there.